Hey y'all, it's your girl Jay, and I'm back at it again with another Dossier shopping haul. Dossier is a fragrance company that believes in affordable luxury. What that means is luxury scents, premium scents at an affordable cost. When you go to Dossier's website, they have a little quiz you can take so you can kind of narrow down the type of scent you want. If you already have an idea about what kind of scent you would like or a name brand scent that you want, like Yves Saint Laurent or Tom Ford or one of the many scents that are out there, they probably have one. Put it in the search bar if you have something in mind. They'll find it for you. And if they don't have it, they do take suggestions. They have scents for men, scents for women. They have scents that they call unisex scents. They have a risk-free shopping system, so you can buy up to 5 bottles, have them shipped to your house for free, try them out, use them as much as you want, and within 30 days you can return whatever you're not happy with, you're not satisfied, for a full refund or an exchange for a different scent. It's very difficult to shop for scents online, so the fact that they give you that opportunity makes it so much more better. Let's get into the scent that I bought. This is exciting. This is called Woody Rum, and I bought this for my husband for Father's Day. Ladies, I know you need to get your man a Father's Day gift. I want my man to smell like a king this year. I don't want to get him another beard grooming kit or grill cleaning kit or anything like that. I went to a high-end department store and I sniffed all the men's colognes, and the one that I liked the most was one by Kilian's called Straight to Heaven. It was $385 for 1.7 ounce. I put it back, told the lady thank you, and I came right home and I got on Dossier and I got my bottle of Woody Rum, which is supposed to smell exactly like Straight to Heaven. You're gonna go straight to heaven if this smells as good as it should. When you get your box, this is all recycled cardboard. The bottle is all recycled glass. They're trying to limit their eco footprint on the world. They're also vegan and cruelty free. When you open your box, which right there says iconic scent, designer quality with no markups, that's no lie. So when you open your box, you'll get this card. This card is everything about your individual scent. It gives you all the top notes, the bottom notes, the middle notes, the concentration, what it's inspired by, and just a whole lot of information about your particular scent. Woody Rum is inspired by Straight to Heaven by Kilian. That one's $385. This is my $29 version for my husband for Father's Day. And it smells perfect. Yeah, he's gonna smell like a king. I love this. This smells exactly like it's supposed to. It smells exactly like Kilian Straight to Heaven. Right now, Dossier is doing a promotion where it's buy 3, you get 10% off. You buy 4, you get 15% off. And if you buy 5, you get 20% off. I do have a hyperlink in the description down there that should save you a few bucks. They sent me a personal discount code for you guys. Use Charlotte's Web 5. It'll get you 5% at checkout. Try to stack that with the other ones. It's a beautiful company. Please go over there and check it out. Don't get your husband another tie or grill cleaning set like I usually do. Get him something to make him smell and feel like a king for you this Father's Day. Look how big this bottle is. This is so worth it. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys have a fantastic Father's Day. Happy June. Happy birthday to anybody who has birthdays out there, and I just love you all. Have a beautiful day. Take care.